And the Federal Payment Protection Program helped keep millions of Americans on the payroll during the COVID-19 shutdowns. But the $500 billion program has also been plagued with fraud and confusion. And tonight, I-Team reporter Brian New takes a close look at why some say the government is putting the wrong borrowers under the microscope.
It was money set aside to help small, struggling businesses, but millions of dollars from the program have ended up in the wrong hands. The latest example, according to court records, involves 6 men from Texas. Federal investigators say they submitted over 80 PPP loan applications using fraudulent financial documents. Investigators say the men pocketed $16 million, spending some of it on this Lamborghini and this home in Houston. According to a recent government report, red flags have now been raised on 11,000 borrowers, totaling nearly $3 billion in loans. In a statement, the Small Business Administration told the I-Team the SBA's Office of Inspector General and the agency's federal partners are working diligently to resolve any PPP fraud incidents.
Frankly, they have a duty to make sure that, the money does go to the right individuals and those who actually need it.
Government watchdog groups say the federal government needs to do more to ensure your tax dollars are spent right, and business organizations agree.
Absolutely, the SBA should be taking a hard look at how the money has actually been used.
But Mike Kennedy, who represents thousands of Texas construction companies, says the SBA is focused on the wrong issue. The government agency is now asking many businesses to fill out this brand new questionnaire and document not how they spent the money, rather why they needed the loan in the first place.
They simply went off the rails when they decided to develop this questionnaire in secrecy.
Kennedy says he's worried the SBA is all of a sudden changing the rules. This questionnaire was not required when businesses took out the loans, and this has many businesses nervous that their loans may now not be forgiven.
If these questions are relevant, then they're applying a different standard. We just want this program to operate as it was advertised. That's the beginning and the end of it.
Economists say this uncertainty, whether PPP loans will be forgiven, could have some small businesses putting freezes on employee raises and end-of-the-year bonuses. And this is all coming at a time when we're seeing the economic recovery beginning to slow. With the I-Team, Brian New, CBS 11 News.